10 must-see destinations in Croatia. Tracoscan Castle. Step into a fairy tale at Tracoscan Castle, a romantic fortress nestled amid the rolling hills of Croatia's Zagorje region. Dating back to the 13th century, this enchanting castle is surrounded by lush gardens and offers panoramic views of the countryside. Explore its richly furnished interior, which houses an impressive collection of artwork, antique furniture, and armor. Blue Cave, Bisevo. Embark on a magical journey to the Blue Cave off the coast of Bisevo Island. Accessible only by boat, this natural sea cave is renowned for its ethereal blue light, which illuminates the underwater world below. Visit during the morning hours when the sunlight filters through an underwater opening, creating a mesmerizing spectacle that must be seen to be believed. Cathedral of St. James, Šibenik. Marvel at the architectural masterpiece that is the Cathedral of St. James in Šibenik. Constructed entirely from stone in the 15th and 16th centuries, this UNESCO-listed cathedral is renowned for its intricate decorations and stunning sculptural dome. Climb to the top of the bell tower for panoramic views of the city and surrounding countryside. Rector's Palace, Dubrovnik. Step into the past with a visit to the Rector's Palace in Dubrovnik's Old Town. Once the seat of the city's government, this elegant palace now houses the Museum of Dubrovnik. Explore its opulent chambers adorned with artwork and artifacts that offer insights into the city's rich history and cultural heritage. Krka National Park. Immerse yourself in the beauty of Krka National Park, home to a series of magnificent waterfalls and cascading pools. Explore the park's network of wooden pathways, swim beneath the cascades, and admire the lush vegetation that thrives in this pristine, natural setting. Don't forget to visit the picturesque island of Visovac, home to a Franciscan monastery dating back to the 15th century. St. Mark's Cathedral, Zagreb. Admire the stunning architecture and rich history of St. Mark's Cathedral in Zagreb. Dating back to the 13th century, this iconic landmark is renowned for its intricate roof adorned with colorful tiles depicting the coats of arms of Zagreb and Croatia. Step inside to marvel at its Gothic interior and impressive collection of frescoes. Pularina. Marvel at one of the best preserved Roman amphitheaters in the world at Pula Arena. Built during the 1st century AD, this colossal amphitheater once hosted gladiator battles and other spectacles. Today it serves as a venue for concerts, film festivals, and cultural events, offering visitors a glimpse into Croatia's rich, ancient history. Plitvice Lakes National Park. Prepare to be enchanted by the natural beauty of Plitvice Lakes National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. With its cascading waterfalls, crystal clear lakes, and lush greenery, this park is a paradise for nature lovers and photographers alike. Explore its network of wooden boardwalks and hiking trails, and be sure to have your camera ready at every turn. Dubrovnik City Walls. Embark on a journey through centuries of history as you walk along the ancient walls of Dubrovnik. These imposing fortifications, which date back to the 13th century, offer panoramic views of the city's terracotta rooftops, shimmering Adriatic Sea, and rugged coastline. Don't miss the opportunity to witness the city's iconic red-tiled roofs from above. Diocletian's Palace, Split. Step back in time as you explore the awe-inspiring ruins of Diocletian's Palace in Split. Built by the Roman Emperor Diocletian in the 4th century AD, this sprawling complex is not just a palace, but a living, breathing part of the city. Wander through its labyrinthine streets, marvel at its well-preserved architecture, and soak in the vibrant atmosphere of its bustling squares.